Good morning, students. I want to welcome you all in our very first class of physical education. Actually, first of all, we have to know about this subject because many of us, this subject is new. First of all, we have to understand about what we have to do in this chapter or this subject. Clear? In this, we have to understand about what is physical education. Physical education is a kind of a curriculum. It's a kind of a subject in which we are going to learn about our physical abilities and its capacities. Before that, we have to know about our physical structure, how it is work. Because of that, we are going to learn about biomechanics, kinesiology, anatomy, psychology, physiology, and there are so many kind of subjects are which is blended. इसको नाम दिया गया after blending of those components. इसको नाम दिया गया physical education. In this blending, those people who are just making this subject, they are concentrating about the need of today's generation. Okay, because actually the reason behind this subject is living style of our body, of our life. ठीक है, आज के डेट में देखा जाए तो जो भी हमारी जो लाइफ स्टाइल है, because of that lifestyle we are facing so many kind of problems related with physical problems and mental health problems also. So how can we fight with these kind of problems even when we are not having enough time to perform any kind of physical activity? Clear? In that condition, we have to know about what kind of things affects which kind of part of our body. Because of that, they introduce one subject which is called physical education, which is basically concentrated on 4 important topics or objectives, we can say. First one is physical development, which is related with our physical structure of our body. Second is mental development. Mental development is basically related with our mental functioning of our brain. ठीक है. थर्ड होता है आपका social development. Social development is basically related with how we are going to behave in front of society. Because if we are a social, because human is called as a social animal. So that person have to go outside and interact with the society. In that society, how that particular person is behaving, that is also very important task. And the last one and the foremost important is emotional development. How can we control our emotions? How we have to restrict few negative emotions in life which can affect our future. Clear? So these are the basically few the objectives of physical education, and because of that this subject comes into existence. Now first we are going to talk about meaning and definition of physical education in quite a bit in detail form. Okay? Now first, physical education is an educational course related of maintaining the human body through physical exercises. Actually, this is the kind of subject in which you are not only to just keep your book and start reading and understanding the concepts and figure out each and every single thing and write it on your copies. Okay? But because of this physical education, whatever the things we are learning in this subject, we are able to apply in our daily life. That is why it is also called as an educational process through physical exercise. Whatever the things is written in this book, we are performing those kind of things in daily basis. But because of not having a proper knowledge about those things, we are not performing those things in a proper manner. Because of that, we are going to suffer from some kind of maybe we can say various kinds of lifestyle diseases just like sugar, hypertension, back pain, headache, diabetes, and there are many more lifestyle diseases are there all because of inactivity of our self. हम जो भी inactivity अपनी लाइफ में करते हैं, because of that we are going to suffer some kind of problems in our life. जिसमें सबसे मेजर कॉज कौन सा, सबसे मेजर रीजन कौन सा हो गया? ओबेसिटी. ओबेसिटी कब आता है? when we are not performing any kind of activity. Because of intaking of lot of amount of calories in our body, we are not using those calories. ठीक है? In that condition, whatever the calories is stored in our body, it is going to convert into a fat, and that fat will makes us obese. And when the person is getting obese, that is called as the doctors are saying the body which one is obese is basically a home of so many diseases. That is why we have to just concentrate on those things which helps us to maintain our physical structure. That's why we can stay away from obesity, or we can say so many kind of lifestyle diseases. That's why it is considered as an education through physical exercise. The next point, it is an integral part of the education process. It is an integral part of the education process. That means, and if we talk about my school life, okay, on that time we are just having a 1 day period in a in a week. Clear? Because most of the time we are just concentrating on studies only, but in that time is so many people seeing that children are getting obese, they are starting obese, and they are facing some kind of mental or emotional problems in their life. So uska ek hal nikala hai ki if we want to keep our children safe from this kind of things, so we have to give some kind of chances to just explore around and go outside the class and play for a while, जिसकी वजह से जो उनका एक फिजिकल कैपेसिटी वो भी इनहेंस होगा, डिसीज विच वी कैन कॉल्ड एज अ ओबेस, हम उससे भी बचे रहेंगे. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फिजिकल एक्टिविटी आवर माइंड इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग रिफ्रेश्ड. बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्रेश्ड माइंड, नो काइंड ऑफ एनी नेगेटिव थिंकिंग और एनी काइंड ऑफ इमोशन, नेगेटिव इमोशन विल स्टक इन अवर माइंड, जिसके वजह से हम इमोशनली बैलेंस भी रहते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट, द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फिजिकल, मेंटली, इमोशनली एंड सोशली फिट citizen through the medium of physical activities. As I told you earlier in the further points, the main objective or the main meaning of physical education is considered with physical development, mental development, emotional development and social development also. Clear? And when we talk about its definition, in our book there are so many kind of definitions are there, and most of the definitions conclusion is only one. We have to perform physical activity for maintaining our health. Because of that we can enhance our performance and our lifestyle, and also keeping ourselves stay away from so many kind of diseases which is related with our structural system and also functioning of our brain too. Because of that we have to perform physical activities on our daily life. Clear? In fact I can say physical education is a kind of subject which turns a human into a human being. Human कौन होता है? A person. Clear? And if we talk about human being वो होता है जिसके अंदर proper emotions होते हैं, proper feelings होती हैं, this which is full of positive emotions and positive feeling. That kind of person is called human being, जिसको हम बोलते हैं इंसान. एक मनुष्य होता है और एक इंसान. When we talk about human, it is called a मनुष्य. When we talk about human being, it is about a इंसान, जिसके अंदर इंसानियत होती है. ठीक है? Now we are going to talk about aims and objectives of physical education. Now we are going to start. According to the Ministry of Education and National Planning of Physical Education and Recreation, the aim of physical education must be to make every child physically, mentally, emotionally fit. The main aim of this subject is to keep our child always fit, make them fit in these kind of criteria. Clear? Now for the next, first thing, which is the foremost thing for keeping our body healthy. If you are not performing any kind of physical activity, in that condition we are getting obese, and because of this obesity we are not able to perform a simple task of our daily life. Okay? Now keeping the heart and lungs in a good condition, these are the basic organs of our body. Okay? If we talk about heart, it pumps blood in our body, and if we talk about lungs, it is a part of respiratory system which basically transport oxygen to our whole body. ठीक है? After getting dissolved in blood. So this is the kind of two main organs जो हमारी body की कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए हमें बहुत जरूरी होते हैं. But when we performing any kind of physical activity, उसमें दो केस होते हैं. First thing, हमारा BP जो है वो बढ़ता है. Because of that हमारा जो heart है वो strong होना शुरू होता है. And because of taking so many deep breaths, our body is getting large amount of oxygen while we are performing any kind of activity. Because of that, the capacity of our heart and the capacity of our lungs is also enhanced, and it gives fuel or it gives so many kind of energy to our internal body organs also, जिसकी वजह से हमारी जो लाइफ है वो बेहतर होने लगती है. Next, it rests from regular studies. Yes, as I told you, I already told you that it is not like other subjects just like mathematics, science and Hindi, English, which you just have to go for some kind of concept and just go through the solutions and problems. Clear? All the things which is considered or what we talk about in this subject, it is a physical or we can say daily life things are there. Okay? First we have to understand about the concept behind those things and how can we survive from those kind of lifestyle diseases in our life. Next, it basically works on the all-round development, not in just academics. जो भी हम ये सब्जेक्ट में पढ़ते हैं वो सिर्फ हम स्कोरिंग के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं. Whatever the things is written in this book, we have to apply those things in our life also. because if we just consider this as a subject, clear, we are just taking marks of it, वो एक आपके मार्कशीट में से वही मार्क्स के बन के ही रह जाएगा, बट your physical abilities and capacities are getting less. But if we are going to perform all such kind of activities where whatever things is written under it, after getting the knowledge of these things, we are just going to apply in our life. Because of that, our productivity, our lifespan is also increased. That's the main objective of this subject. Next, the main aim of physical education are physically, emotionally, intellectual development, and with recreational development and development of skills in recreational activities. As I told you earlier, we have to perform those activities for getting excel in this kind of fields. Now we are going to discuss about all those developments in detail. Developments means physical, neuromuscular, emotional, and social development. Because of that, physical education helps us to improve these kind of qualities in our life. Okay? First of all, we are going to start. The physical education makes every child physically, mentally, emotionally fit. It can be attained through different steps. If you want to just work on these kind of criteria, so for that, what we have to do, we have to keep that in mind. Before that, we have to go for the physical development. It helps us to develop of our organic system such as circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, muscular system, skeletal system, endocrine system, और जो glandular system जो है, और basically all those kind of systems, because of the blending of that, our body structure is made. ठीक है? While performing these kind of physical activities, those all these kind of systems are work together, and because of that, the perfection of these systems goes up to the mark. Okay? Next, neuromuscular development, it helps us to concern with better coordination between nervous system and muscular system. Before talking about this thing, we have to go for the nervous system. Now, what is nervous system? Nervous system is basically a system which deals with the neurons to each and every single part of our body. If you want to control our index finger, that message is sent to the brain, and after the transporting of the information, we are able to move index finger. If anyone told us about you have to move your thumb, that information is going to be processed in our brain, then we are just going to move our thumb. This is only because of the combination of neurons to our muscular system. Next, so our next topic is mental development. What is mental development? It's actually whatever the things and whatever the thoughts, emotions, feelings, anxiety, whatever the things is happen inside our brain. Because of that, we are able to think about any particular thing, about future, about past. These kind of things, this comes under mental ability or skill capacity skill. So, physical activities has a positive effect on child's mental health and can impact a child's mood. It helps to reduce anxiety, stress, tension to a largest extent. Basically, if you are going, if just taking an example, if any person is suffering from any kind of stress or any kind of tension or any kind of depression, in that doctor said this person has to be stay with the group, and if possible just make them busy in any kind of physical activity, because when that person is able to perform any kind of physical activity, in that time whatever the negative thinking is processing in that particular mind is going to be stopped. क्लियर हो सकता है कि आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग दोज एक्टिविटीज उसका ध्यान उस सारी चीज़ों नेगेटिव चीज़ों से हट करके उसको एक पॉजिटिव साइड में डाइवर्ट कर सके. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी आर एबल टू control these kind of problems which is always happen inside our brain, that is related with anxiety, stress, tension, and when all those things comes together, in that condition the last stage is depression, and when any person goes into the depression, it is very hard to save those kind of person. उसका एक ही तरीका, if you want to make him survive or survive from that depression, just try to make them busy in some kind of physical activities. Next, social development. It provides ample opportunities to its participants to interact with other individuals and a group. See, if you want to live in a society, we have to control on our emotions, how to behave in front of society, how to behave in front of others whom we are not knowing. Just like for taking an example, if we are at home, we can also perform some kind of childish behavior in front of parents, but that kind of behavior is not acceptable in front of society. At this stage or at this age, if you are performing any kind of childish behavior in front of society, that people who are living in society, they will consider that इतना बड़ा हो करके बच्चों ऐसी हरकतें कर रहा है, सो हमारी जो पर्टिकुलर सेल्फ स्टीम और जो इमेज है वो कहीं ना कहीं अफेक्ट होती है इससे. In that condition, we have to go for the social development skills. In this, we are going to know about how to interact with the others when we go outside our home. And because of that, we are having a social life also. And because of that, we are easily able to make friends and control so many kind of problems in our life. Because when we are having a group of people who are with us, we are very easily acceptable by society and also makes us strong too. Now next topic. Next is emotional development. It teaches us to accept success and failure. See, when we just go through the social development stage, okay, in that condition we have to control our emotions. As I told you, किसके सामने गुस्सा होना है, किसके सामने गुस्सा नहीं होना है, कौन आपके गुस्से को सहन कर सकते हैं, कौन आपके गुस्से को सहन नहीं कर सकते. जस्ट लाइक फॉर टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल, इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स आप जितना भी गुस्सा करें, दे विल जस्ट टेक इट इजी. बट इफ यू आर जस्ट शोइंग योर एंगर इन फ्रंट ऑफ सोसाइटी, हो सकता है कि सामने वाला आपको और नेगेटिव लेकर के और आपको और हिंसात्मक तरीके से देखे और आपकी इमेज पूरी सोसाइटी में बदल जाए. इसलिए जरूरी है वी हैव टू कंट्रोल ऑन आवर इमोशन. जस्ट लाइक इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट when you talk about children, हम उनसे अलग वे में बात करते हैं. if you talk about adults, हम उनसे अलग वे में बात करते हैं. as when we talk about our older persons है, हमारे जो दादा दादी, हम उनसे अलग वे में बात करते हैं. that is the symptom जिसमें हम समझ सकते हैं हम अलग अलग पर्सन से अलग अलग तरीके से बिहेव करते हैं. उसमें भी हमें बहुत सी पेशेंस रखनी पड़ती है. when we talking to any elder person, we have to keep patience. उसमें हमें अपने जो इमोशंस है उसको कंट्रोल करना है. whatever the things is running in your mind, that is a different thing, but you have to avoid those things for a while, because we are interacting with the old person, and for when we are talking to any old person, we have to keep patience, and that is why we are going to talk about emotional development. If you are not having that kind of ability, you are not easily acceptable in society. Okay, that is all for today's class. Safe study, safe. Thank you.